In this video, we discover the gorgeous city of Auckland, New Zealand. We see it from up high in the Sky Tower, and we explore a bit on foot. It's a fantastic place. Join us! All around us, New Zealand! Yay! It's been a very long trip. We had to come in behind a cyclone. That was fun. But we're almost in Auckland. We're late. We won't be in Auckland till about 5 p.m. Most things will be closed, but we're going to do a little walk around Auckland, see what's there. Hi all, it's me, and welcome to New Zealand! I'm so excited to be here! I can't believe I am halfway around the world from home, from either of my homes actually. That is the Auckland Harbour Bridge. And directly in front of the ship is Auckland, New Zealand. We are very late getting here. We had to go around a cyclone that was in our path. It has been bumpy and not pleasant, but we're here. And it's calm, it's beautiful. Look at the sunshine, but it's not hot, it's warm, it's perfection. And we're gonna see as much as we can of the city before the sun goes down. There's a sky tower, there are several buildings to see. We're gonna have a little walk around. So come with us, see what we can see. Hopefully we can get up into the sky tower. But we're so late, there are no excursions. So everyone's gonna be going to the sky tower. I don't think we're gonna make it, but we'll see it from the outside. I'll show you around as much as we can. Thanks so much. They call this white building, the undulating building, the Cloud. And look behind it, that building's gorgeous. And we are pulling into Queen's Wharf. And there's already a ship here, big ship. Auckland stretches out. Wow. So this is obviously the shopping street. Dior, Bulgari, Queen's Arcade, Louis Vuitton. This is Queen Street. Welcome to the Sky Tower. It's a beautiful sight in Auckland's skyline. As you're waiting to buy tickets, there's a ton of information drawn on the walls. It's so interesting and it makes it so much nicer when you're just standing in a queue. I took a quick video of the ticket prices just to let you know. This was 2023. It's hard for it to focus, it's so bright. Oh, my ears. I did it. Ow. And this is Auckland from the Sky Tower. What a gorgeous city it is. Look at that water. And our ship is right there. Oh. So there are things on the windows that says Maritime Museum, houses exhibitions spanning New Zealand's maritime history. And it should be, what, straight up from it? And there's the Harbour Bridge that we saw pulling in. Auckland Harbour Bridge, originally constructed between 1955 and 1959, it's New Zealand's largest bridge. It has about 170,000 vehicles crossing it each day and more than 1,000 buses. It's a big park. Auckland Zoo is home to over 1,400 animals, 144 different species. And there's a big church down here. Eden Park is the rugby stadium opened in 1900. I'm guessing it's that one out there. Excellent name. The second largest natural harbor in New Zealand by area, located to the southwest of Auckland and opens out into the Tasman Sea. I'm guessing it's this entire area over here. That's the town hall. Opened in 1911. Opened in 1911, the Edwardian style building is known both for its original and ongoing use for administrative functions as well as its famed Great Hall. So that's what that is. I thought it was a church, but it's the town hall. Beautiful building. Rangitoto Island, the youngest of the volcano fields. It formed only about 600 years ago. I love this building. It's so pretty. And look at that. And can you hear the buzz behind me? It's such a lively downtown area, which is quite unusual these days. Well, they have a scan to listen thing. You can hear these women's stories. See where our wahine have come from so far. Oh. Today is International Women's Day, so it's appropriate that we see all of this about New Zealand women. Wahine. It's a multimedia arts exhibition that amplifies Maori women's voices. How beautiful. How absolutely beautiful. This is Albert Park. I really wish we had more time we could explore, but we're running out of daylight. Isn't that beautiful? This is a beautiful town at night. So this is the train station, Britomart Station. I'll go find out more about it, hold on. So it was an inner harbor until reclaimed. It's a beautiful building. So we're walking back towards the ship. There's that gorgeous building again. And it's so lit up. And it looks so pretty. And it's such a lively town, downtown. So many people out eating and just talking and chatting, and people are everywhere. It's such a vibrant place. And it's really pretty. I wish we had more time to spend here. But tomorrow, Tauranga. I cannot wait. New Zealand so far is impressive. Can't wait to see more. Thanks so much for watching. I'm on an amazing adventure with cruises in South Africa and a world cruise that has ports in Europe, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. So click the Travels with V and Steve icon below to subscribe so you don't miss a video.